¡Ay, estrella! Mamá la perra.
Why'd you bite me? Don't do it. Don't do it. I need my referral so I can book the appointment.
Did you just do that by himself?
Yep.
Кто натворил? Вот это кто натворил?
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
I'm sorry.
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.
Stop, you're not gonna like it.
Seriously, this cat's a little stupid.
Wait, this tastes like some medicine. Ah!
To see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
Normalize you not touching my charger! And then?
Ну, бля.
Your demise.
You're happy and you know it. Clap your hands.
Excuse me?
Look!
Don't eat my plants.
Yes, sir. Oh my god.
Ew, ew.
What are you doing?
Tiga. Cipi, cipi, capa, capa, dubi, dubi, daba, daba, cipi.
How about we just like...
Don't touch my food.
That was the wrong way, you...
Being naughty.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
This is my cat, Mimi. She loves me.
No.
What? Oh.
That's a sin. No.
What are you doing? Spicy. Hey, Spicy.
Oh my God.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
No. No.
Oogie boogie. No!
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Ay, man, ikaw!
Want somebody?
Семен, кто...
Can you show me your booty?
Do that.
Stop, dude. No.
Izzy, are you stuck?
about to bite me.
Bro, Michael.
Yoda. Stop.
Oh my god!
Oh.
Dude. Gracie!
So, mirror, stand on the wall. Please try to make me the coolest kid of them all. This girl with the hair better beware, cause everywhere she be, I'ma be there like. Hello, my name is Susie. That's Susie with the Z. And no, I did say Susie. Originality, my mom told me that I would be the coolest. Yep. And if people don't like it, then they're.
All this power that I found.
Buddy? That's not looking too good, bud.
Hey, what's up?
Class trip. Jumping rope done.
Oh, it's cold.